You know, without a coffee, I can walk into a room, or in this case my shed, and I haven't got a clue why I'm here. With a coffee, I can walk into a room, or in this case my shed, and I still haven't got a clue why I'm here. But at least I've got something warm to drink while I think about it. Oh, that's lovely. I remembered. It's Tuesday. That must mean trains on Tuesday. And we're in the shed. So that means we're going to be running the triangle layout. Bit of an experiment today. We're having sheds in the shed. Now we've reconfigured things a little bit in here. You'll see some differences. There's a bridge for one thing, that wasn't there before. It doesn't go anywhere. I'm just checking clearances with that. Make sure stuff gets under there okay. But the other difference is that we are now running on East Coast Main Line, British East Coast Main Line track alignment. That means this track goes that way. And it's the down slow. There's the down fast. There's the up fast. And the up slow. And signals have all been set accordingly. And they're all up. Meaning there's a train coming on all four lines. For those of you that don't know about the up and down system in England, anything running away from London in any direction, doesn't matter if it's going south, north, west, east, if it's running away from London, it's considered a down line. So these here, East Coast Main Line, these two here, they're off to Scotland. An up line is running up to London. So these ones are going to London. Anyway, let's see what we've got today. So on the down slow, we've got my newest one, GBRF 66713 Forest City, and that's hauling a rake of DCA wagons. I can't set them running and talk at the same time, it's just too noisy. On the up main, the up fast, sorry, down main, we've got 66587 1, and of course it's got containers. On the up fast, 59201. Now this isn't strictly speaking a shed, I don't think, but it's basically the same shape. Nobody's told me it's not a shed, so I'm calling it a shed. Class 59201, Vale of York. Hauling EWS ballast wagons, MHAs, for those in the know. And on the up slow, 66725, I think that's Sunderland City, or City of Sunderland, and that's got a rake of old train wagons on it. Okay, here we go with the running session. This is going to be now loud, really noisy. Here we go. What a noise. Deafens me. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing that running. Another thing, in the last video I did out here, I introduced the back scenes, and there was a lot of interest in those, so I've got 2 out of the 3 sections temporarily propped up back there. Give you an idea of what they look like. Bit of English countryside. In the fall, a little bit of yellowing on the trees. Well, that's it for this running session for this Tuesday. I enjoyed it. I really hope you did. Now, the triangle layout out here in the shed. This is, as I said at the very beginning when I introduced this is my gardening shed. And as we're into March now, happy St. David's Day. I'm not quite sure where my St. David's Day loco is. I packed a bunch of stuff away. If I can find it, I'll run it and tag it onto the end of the video here. Anyway, happy St. David's Day, and the poor old triangle layout, she's on her last leg. Maybe another 2 weeks, and then I'm going to need this space for gardening. So the layout will be coming apart, track all off, power packs put away, and the boards will be stood up against the wall on this side until the weather's warm enough that I can set them up outside. Set up all 3 boards. That'll be fun. Something to look forward to. Anyway, if I can find St. David, I'll give him a little run on here. Maybe try him on all 4 tracks. And we'll see you again next week for another Trains on Tuesday. Bye everyone. Well, a bit of good news. I found St. David and the coaches. There is a story as to why I had to go look for them, but that's a story for another day. Okay, we're gonna try St. David on the triangle layout. First time. The layout has been out here for 2 months. No track cleaning. So let's hope she goes. We'll start off on the down slow. Really slow. Oh dear. St. David came to a stop. Maybe we just need to get things warmed up a bit. Okay, let's see how we get on the up main. No, down main. Keep getting those mixed up. Oh, running much better on the Super 4. Okay, now we're on the up main. The Series 3 track. Running pretty smooth. Okay, we'll switch over to the old standard track and see how we get along there. Oh, we're getting some wheel slip. It's those backman colic coaches. They don't like that standard track. They're derailing. Oh well. Happy St. David's Day. At least she got out for a run on March the 1st. Okay, that's it. See you again next week. Bye.